Good day traders, I'm Jason from Sureshot. Today I have got another forecast about gold for the upcoming week. But before you look ahead, let's quickly talk about what happened last week with gold market. We'll discuss how the market moved and where it might go next. So we'll start our analysis with the current market structure of gold on hourly time frame. And last week we saw that after NFP push, market was sideways the whole week. It didn't go to particular direction, it didn't went to this order block, or it didn't go impulsively down, just sideways market. But in this sideways market, there were multiple opportunities for long and short setups. As we can see, we have noticed internal market structure at the beginning of the week, and after this liquidity sweep, market again changed its character and internally it switched bearish, giving us multiple short opportunities. Currently, market internally is in a bearish order flow. If we hide our drawings and go to higher time frame, what can we see? We can clearly see that on daily time frame, market is also in a consolidation phase. There are no clear direction for upwards or downwards, just sideways. And if we go to 4 hour, we can notice the same thing happening here as well. Market is just sideways for a couple of weeks. So going back to our hourly time frame and get our drawings back. So what can we do in this sideways market? Well, we always follow the order flow of current market structure. As market on higher time frame is in a bearish phase, as you can see, change of character, lower low, lower high, lower low. This could be potentially a lower high. Then we are expecting another push to continue the bearish movement and give us a break of structure. So as the structure internally switch bearish, we are expecting that market might give us a pullback to enter short setups or look for sell setups at this supply zone. There are no clear supply zones. However, we can go to 15-minute time frame to refine the zones. As this is Monday, we are expecting a false inducement, and after that we are expecting market to continue its bearish momentum once again. But as this market is in a consolidation phase, move like this can also happen. So move like this can also happen as well. We don't know because there is still imbalance and order block resting above this swing high. But looking at current market price, we are expecting a false inducement, then followed by a bearish leg. So let's summarize the forecast for you once again. Gold bias is potentially bearish this week. Last week, market didn't move to one direction impulsively, just sideways. So following current market structure, looking for shorts is the best option for us. So from what I see in the charts, I think gold might keep going down this week. We'll see what happens in the market in the next few days. That's all for our gold forecast for this week. Make sure to subscribe to Sureshot for more helpful information about Forex. I wish you all successful trades. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next video.